Want to create a professional-looking poster without using complicated design software? Whether you're promoting an event, advertising a business, or creating a school project, Canva makes poster design quick and easy. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to create posters in Canva in 2026. First, sign in to Canva and use the search bar to find poster templates. Canva will automatically load the correct poster format so you can start designing immediately. Next, browse through the available templates and select one that matches your project. Whether it's for an event, sale, announcement, or presentation, there are plenty of options to choose from. Replace the sample text with your own title, details, dates, or message. Make sure the headline is clear and large enough to grab attention from a distance. Now add photos, illustrations, icons, or other visual elements. Strong visuals can help make your poster more engaging and easier to understand. Review the overall design and adjust colors, spacing, and alignment as needed. Try to keep the layout balanced and avoid overcrowding the poster with too much information. When your poster is ready, click Download and choose PDF print for the highest print quality. You can also save it as a PNG image for online sharing, and that's how to create posters in Canva. With customizable templates and easy-to-use design tools, you can create professional posters in just a few minutes. So experiment with different layouts and visuals to create a poster that stands out. Thanks for watching.